Hello students, welcome again. Today we are going to start our writing work in class 6 SST Geography chapter 1, the earth in the solar system. So students, yesterday we have written word meaning of this chapter, the earth in the solar system. Now after writing word meaning, today we have to start question answer of chapter 1. So students, let's start question number 1. Okay. So at first, as usual, we will write first question answer. Alright. So write down questions answer. Questions answer. Alright. Okay. Now question number 1. So write down student question 1. And the question is, how does a planet differ from a star? As you can see, question number 1, how does a planet differ from a star? Okay. So write down, how does a planet differ from a star? क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. तो कैसे ग्रह तारे से, स्टार से अलग होता है? क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं स्टार और प्लैनेट में? ओके. क्यों प्लैनेट स्टार से डिफरेंट होता है? सो राइट डाउन आंसर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. If we will difference between a planet and a star, so many points. Okay. Just like planet, it receives heat and light from the sun, and star, it has its own heat and light. And there are 9 major planets, or our earth is also one of them, and stars are very far from us. They are in millions of millions. Okay. And planet has a spherical body. Planets only reflect the light received from the sun. Okay. And star is a very big and hot ball of fire and made of gases. Okay. And students, the sun is also a star, you know. Okay. So start to write down answer. Differences between a planet and a star. A planet and a star. All right. Now students, at first we will make table here to differentiate between planet and star. Okay students. So now draw the line and its line divided into 2 columns. All right. And first one, planet, right? Planet. And second, star. Okay, planet and star. Now close this line. All right. So number 1, what is the difference between planet and star? In short, we can write it receives heat and light from the sun. All right. And star, it has its own heat and light. So write down, it has its own heat and light. Okay. Now second point, it has spherical body. Okay. इसकी body, planets की body क्या होती है? Spherical होती है. So write down, it has a spherical body. SPHERICAL. It has spherical body, and planets only reflects. Planets only reflect the light received. The light received. The light received from the sun. From the sun. Alright. It has a spherical body. Planets only reflect the light received from the sun. And here it is a very big. Okay. Star is a very big, and so right. It is a very big and hot ball of fire. Hot ball of fire made of gases. Made of gases. And the sun is also a star. Okay. And the sun is also a star. Alright. Now third point. Write down. Planets do not twinkle. TWINKLE. Planets do not twinkle because they do not possesses their own light. Okay, and here it gives out huge flames. It gives out huge flames, and it radiates a great amount of heat and light. Okay, students, and fourth one. There are 8 major planets. There are 8 major planets, and our Earth is also one of them. Okay, students, there are 8 major planets. Our Earth is also one of them. And the planets are in order of their distance from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay students, and while as you know, when I have taught you in this chapter reading, then till recently August 2006 Pluto was also considered a planet. ठीक है, प्लूटो को भी 2006 में, अगस्त 2006 में एक ग्रह समझा गया था. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग कितने ग्रह हो जाएंगे हमारे? 9 मेजर प्लैनेट्स हो जाएंगे. बट हाउएवर इन अ मीटिंग ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनियन a decision was taken the Pluto like other celestial objects, Sirius 2003 UB 313, okay, discovered in recent past may be called a dwarf planet. Okay, तो अगर हम इसको लगाएंगे तो इसमें हम क्या कहेंगे? 9 major planets. Okay, but इन ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर डिस्टेंस अगर हम काउंट करें फ्रॉम सन से, तो देयर आर 8 प्लैनेट्स इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम. ओके, सो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग विच वन: मर्करी, वीनस, एंड इट्स ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सन. ऑलराइट, सूर्य से इनकी जो निकटतम दूरी, सबसे क्लोज कौन है? मर्करी है, देन वीनस, देन अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, so there are 8 major planets. Our Earth is also one of them. All right, and from stars are very far. Stars are very far from us. All right, and they are in millions of millions. They are millions of millions. All right. Now close this. Differentiate the table here. Okay. Alright student, now next question 2, or in your book it's mentioned question number B. Alright, so write down question 2nd. Alright, and the question is, what is meant by the solar system? So write down what is meant. Okay, what is meant by solar system? Meant by the solar system. Alright student, हमने पढ़ा था कि सोलर सिस्टम क्या है, सौर मंडल क्या है, हमने पढ़ा था. So what is the solar system? The celestial bodies consisting of the sun, its planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids and dust particles also form the solar system. तो ये सभी सन, प्लैनेट, सैटेलाइट, ग्रह, उपग्रह, सूर्य, उल्का पिंड, ओके, उल्का और डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, ये सब मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं? सोलर सिस्टम बनाते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो राइट डाउन द celestial bodies. The celestial bodies consisting of the sun, its planets, satellites, 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 asteroids, 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 meteoroids, 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 and dust particle particle and dust particle form the solar system. All right, the celestial bodies consisting of the sun, its planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids and dust particle form the solar system. Very good students. Now write question number C या question number third. Question number third. Okay, and student, it's mentioned in your book, textbook, it's a question C. All right, so write what's the question. Name all the planets. Name all the planets according to their distance from the sun. According to their distance from the sun. Okay, from the sun, question mark. Okay students, so here in this answer we have to write the planets according to their distance from the sun. Okay, as before I taught you about the planets according to their distance from the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, 2003, UB 313. Okay, so write down answer third or answer C. Okay, so write first one Mercury, MERCURY, Mercury. Second Venus. Third one Earth. Fourth one Mars. Next Jupiter. Okay, then Saturn. Okay, and Uranus. Then Neptune. Okay students, अगर हम बात करें नाइन्थ मेजर प्लैनेट्स की, इट इज प्लूटो. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट प्लूटो. ऑलराइट, PLUTO, प्लूटो. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, we can write here 2003, 2003, UB 313. All right students, so planets according to their distance from the sun is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It's a 8 major planets. If we will talk about 9th major planets, it's a Pluto. Okay, so right, fourth question, question number 4. Question 4, and the question is, why is the earth called? Why is the earth? Why is the earth called a unique planet? Unique planet. All right. Why is the earth called unique planet? So write down answer. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जैसे बताया था चैप्टर रीडिंग में कि हम अर्थ को यूनिक प्लैनेट क्यों कहते हैं. ओके, because only the earth has conditions favorable for life in the form of animals and plants. इसीलिए उसको विशेष ग्रह कहा जाता है क्योंकि वहां पर लाइफ पॉसिबल है. वहां की अर्थ की जितनी भी कंडीशंस हैं वे काफी फेवरेबल हैं एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स के लाइफ के लिए, उनके सरवाइव करने के लिए वहां की कंडीशंस क्या हैं, फेवरेबल हैं. और वे कंडीशंस क्या हैं? सरफेस हैज वाटर, क्योंकि अर्थ की सरफेस में क्या है? वाटर है. लाइफ गिविंग ऑक्सीजन गैस फाउंड इन ओनली ऑन द अर्थ, दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, एंड ओजोन लेयर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ द अर्थ एंड विच प्रोटेक्ट्स ऑल ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑन द अर्थ फ्रॉम हार्मफुल सन रेजेस. ऑलराइट, सो राइट, द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड earth is called a unique planet. A unique planet. Okay, why? Because of the following reasons. Because of the following regions. Okay, the earth is called a unique planet because of the following reasons, and the reasons are, students, here we will write. First most important reason is that only the earth has conditions, only the earth has conditions favorable for life, in the form of animals and plants, form of animals and plants. Okay, student, it's a most important reason behind it. The earth is called a unique planet. All right, इसका सबसे important reason है in single word, only the earth has favorable conditions for life. Okay, and the second, okay, पहली तो फेवरेबल कंडीशंस है एंड ऑल्सो अ वेरी सुटेबल टेम्परेचर फॉर लाइफ. इट इज नाइदर टू हॉट बट नॉट टू कोल्ड. ओके, तो यहाँ का जो अर्थ का टेम्परेचर है वो इतना सुटेबल है कि ना तो वहाँ अत्यधिक गर्म होता है और ना अत्यधिक ठंडा होता है. सो यू कैन राइट इट हैज सुटेबल temperature. It has suitable temperature for life. Okay, and what is the suitable temperature? It is neither too hot or not too cold. Okay, so write down, it is neither too hot nor too cold. All right, and third condition, it's important, its surface has water. Its surface has water. एंड अगर हम बात करें अदर प्लैनेट्स की, नो अदर प्लैनेट्स ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम हैज वाटर एसेंशियल फॉर सर्वाइवल ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ठीक है, इतना वाटर नहीं है कि वो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स उसमें सर्वाइव कर सकें. सो इट्स सरफेस हैज वाटर. एंड नेक्स्ट, लाइफ गिविंग ऑक्सीजन. लाइफ giving oxygen gas is found only found only on the earth. On the earth. All right. And next, ओजोन लेयर स्टूडेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जो हमारी पृथ्वी पे ओजोन लेयर एटमॉस्फेयर में है वो बहुत हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती है, सभी ऑर्गेनिज्म को प्रोटेक्ट करती है। किससे प्रोटेक्ट करती है? अ वेरी हार्मफुल सन रेज। तो इसकी वजह से भी अर्थ को यूनिक प्लैनेट कहा जाता है, क्योंकि अर्थ की एटमॉस्फेयर में ओजोन लेयर ऑल ऑर्गेनिज्म को प्रोटेक्शन देती है हार्मफुल सन रेज से। सो राइट स्टूडेंट्स, ओजोन लेयर ozone layer in the atmosphere